Welcome to my channel.
Trifiboost Wi-Fi Extender setup and installation. Plug in the extender. Connect the Trifiboost extender to a power socket. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. Place it near your router. Keep the extender close to your main Wi-Fi router during setup to avoid connection issues. Connect to the Trifiboost network. Open Wi-Fi on your phone, laptop, right pointing arrow, select the network name like Trifiboost_Ext or Trifiboost_setup. Open the setup page. Go to any browser and type http://192.168.10.1. This will open the Trifiboost setup dashboard. Log in to the setup page. Enter the default login details, commonly username, admin, password, admin, or check your manual if different. Scan for Wi-Fi networks. Click on Scan, right pointing arrow. The extender will show nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi. Choose your main Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Type your home Wi-Fi password correctly to connect the extender with the router. Save and reboot. Click Apply, Save. The extender will reboot and create an extended network like home Wi-Fi_Ext. Position the extender in the right spot. Place the extender halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Check for strong signal lights for best performance. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, add, subscribe.